Ah. Hello everyone, and welcome back to the, well, you can guess it like always. Yeah, so my plan was to make the rest of the frame build, or I actually thinking about making a better one because I wasn't that happy with the old one, but then my GoPro wouldn't start, so I hope it's only battery. I know if any one of you have any problems with the GoPro, please comment what it can be, because it won't turn on and doesn't show it's taking charge when I'm charging it. It should be fully charged. I'm hoping the battery is dead, but yeah, I need to fix that. But I can't film that kind of video on the phone because I don't have a mount for it. That's why I'm holding it right now. So yeah, but lucky for you, I have some really exciting news here, so I thought I'm gonna show you a different thing. Over there, let's go. So this is what I want to show you, the Kamaz log truck. All painted, or almost everything painted, not the bed. I painted the cab today and frame yesterday, and also the crane. So now everything is painted except the bed. I'm going to do that later. Yeah, I think it turned out really nice. I did actually do some more sanding on this one than I usually do, so it turned out pretty great for being me. I still have the interior to take care of. I have designed some new chairs. They will look a bit better than in my old Kamaz, and then I got the steering wheels and stuff I need to put in. I also have some door panels they're gonna put here. So yeah, it will get some things here on the inside. And yeah, let's check the new driver. Wait, this ain't a driver. Wrong picture, sorry, I will fix. Ah, yes, this is the new guy I got for the Kamaz. Let's see how he fits in the truck. Something like this will it look when he's in the inside. He will come up a little bit because I have no chair there right now, and hopefully he can hang out his arm there and look, well, like this. Pretty cool guy, yeah. The gangster trucker. Oppa gangster trucker stylen. So yeah, that would be great. The car I have not started to paint yet. I also need to do that. But I'm waiting for new tires from Scale Tires, and they will be on the bigger model of rims. So I need to print bigger ones and redesign the hubcaps. And here we have the bed. I also need to get that painted. I'm thinking black with yellow stacks, or what you call it. The thing you put the logs in. I'm not sure what the English word is for it. So yeah, what do you think? Black and yellow or something else? Leave a comment. And then we're gonna see how long the crane can be. Let's check that out. Yeah, this is gonna look pretty brutal, I think. The only problem I have right now is that I don't have a remote, or I have not connected everything to a remote. And also this part did not get to work on this, so maybe I need to print everything new here. I'm not sure, we'll see. But yeah, it looks really good. And also, yeah, this cylinder, I'm really impressed. It moves really fast, and I hope it's strong. It's much better than the old one I used. So yeah, pretty happy with this. So let's see how long it will reach. Yeah, that's quite a bit. Can load logs far away, I think. You can see, I'm gonna measure it here. If I can do this, no, I need two hands here. Give me a second, yes, like that. From the wheel and out here we have 59 centimeters. So yeah, that would be really good. I can't believe how massive this is. Freaking awesome. I'm in love with this truck now. This will be so cool. So yeah, that is the Kamaz log truck. I hope you have enjoyed this video, and hopefully I can get my GoPro to work so I can keep doing the frame build on the Ural. But yeah, otherwise I need to get a mount or something for this phone that actually can work too. But yeah, I mean, I have a GoPro, I want it to work, so yeah. But subscribe, like, leave a comment, and thank you for watching. I salute you all. Farväl!